So guys, we're in a high wind warning now, which they're wrong about how our downed trees. I mean, some trees do fall. Some trees do fall. So, but we have one tree that never falls. One time we had a storm where one tree almost fell, but that's all. Keep you guys updated. So it might start around 12 p.m. So have some time. My mom usually gets home by 10, 11 o'clock, so yeah. My mom gets home from the store around like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. But if it's windy around that time, we're gonna have a hard time bringing this stuff in. Blowing dust may lead to visibility reduces half a mile or less near recently plowed fields. People should avoid being outside in forest areas and around trees, branches, if possible, and remain indoors during the height of the wind. Sunday afternoon and night, use caution if you must drive. I'm not listening to that. I'm gonna go outside. I mean, if it's like very bad, I will go inside. I will go call them from inside. But if not that dusty, like visibility, like you can't see in front of me, like if it's that bad, yes, I will not film outside. I will film inside. But knowing me, I'll film outside, and so if it doesn't get up on YouTube, you know what happened. No, that's how never happened. If there's 6 amount of wind gusts while I'm out there, I'll hold my phone as tight as I possibly can. Because I could blow my phone out of my hand if I'm not holding it tight enough. Or, definitely be using an app out there, so. Keep you guys updated. It's, right now you can see it's Saturday, March 27th. Record my iPad. And, yeah. Keep you guys updated. If the one starts early, I'll start from it then.